to different colleges for admission purpose, and that's why I'm very busy right now also, because I'm going to my college, and so after running back I'll just message you. I'll just vlog. So I can't disclose my college obviously because of security purposes, but yeah, I'll tell you which course I'm in when I'll just finalize things out. So bye for now. Don't switch off the video, I'm coming back. Hey, have a look at this. So it was raining heavily. As you can see, the drops in here and the railing, and it's still thundering. You can hear that. I think so, if this camera is just showing you. So yeah, it started to drizzle also. Hi, Bruno. 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 So he's least interested. So I'm just here and I came back from my college and it went good. Let's see where I go. And so today, so I ordered these earplugs. They are just so good, and they came today. Have a look at it. It has some vacuum gun thing which makes it wearable for everyone, any kind of ear, like it will just stick to your ear so nicely. And have a look. It's originally for Samsung, but I'm using it for my Sony phone, but I just love it. And it have call recorder also. Sorry, not call recorder. What's wrong with me? I mean, it have a mic through which you can answer things. So a lot of you were asking me to give my house tour, so I'll give it sooner or later. I'm just a little busy this month, but I promise I'll do that. Yeah. So there's a surprise coming for you guys right now, and actually I have to go there to show you what the surprise is, and I'm so thankful for that thing. And I'll just go there and I'll show you, and it'll be a short vlog, I guess, till something more exciting happens later this day. So yeah. Wait, I'll show you a rose. Have a look. It's so pretty. Rose. So I have a mango tree outside my house. It's huge and it's pushing my potted trees backwards. So have a look at it. This branch, it's pushing all my potted trees back so they can fall anytime, and we keep water for birds in here. Cute, isn't it? My family loves plants. I love it too. And just waiting for a call from my dad so that I can show you what we have bought today. Okay, I can give you one hint. I asked you to comment which color is the best. Now I think you know. Our new car, Honda i10 brand sports. And they gave very cool chocolates. I'll just show you what they look like. Honda, not Honda. Actually, I have one Honda. So I always do Honda. I'll show you the chocolate what they gave us. Have a look. Oh my god, these are car-shaped chocolates. Let's try one. This one, I think. It says corn crisps. Look at it. It's in the shape of a car. Car with wheels. See? I ate the bonnet. Mom made yogurt kebab. It's made up of yogurt. It really is. Hunkered. It's made up of hunkered. What's that? See? It looks so good. And it's so crispy and nice and I love it.